Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th standard maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Every teacher once was a student. Every winner once was a loser. Every expert once was a beginner. But all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. Let's start the session. Unit exercise 1. First question. If the ordered pairs x squared minus 3x, y squared plus 4y and minus 2, 5 are equal. So here the given is equal for the ordered pairs. Then we want to find x and y. So here equal means the first element is paired with the ordered pair minus 2, 5, both are equal. Likewise, y square plus 4y is equal with the 5. Here I have written x square minus 3x equal to minus 2, y square plus 4y equal to 5. So now we want to make the equation and by solving in any one processing. So here we have x square minus 3x is there. So minus 2 is in this side. So we have take in the left hand side means minus 2, it will come this side means plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means we have solved by using the formula or otherwise splitting method. If it is two method we have means we have factorize and find the x value, because here also we have the x term, here also we have the x. So by using the one formula or otherwise splitting method. Splitting method is very easy to solve. So formula method means we can use the formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This method we can use the formula or otherwise we can use the splitting method. Splitting method is very easy to split the term, that is split the middle term. Here we have a minus 3, here we have a 2. So this is in the addition process, this is in the multiplication process. So multiplication process you have to written in this top, then splitting the term. So splitting the middle term means we have to write the middle one as in the inside. So we have to check with the same table. Now 1 2 is 2 means if you multiple we get 2, if you add that two numbers we get minus 3. So here we have a 2 means if I write 1 2 is 2, is this the only one process? So if you add means we get plus 3, but we want to minus 3. So that means we have to write both the sign. Minus means if you multiple means minus into minus, plus 1 2s are 2. If you add means we get minus 3. So for the factorization we have to write as what we have write x minus 1 and another one is x minus 2 equal to 0. We want to find the x value. So x value means what you have to do? You have to split the terms, that is x minus 1 equal to 0, because it is in the multiplication, it will go that side means division. So 0 by anything 0. If it is we have take x minus 2 is in this side means we have to write x minus 1, it will be go that side means 0. So minus 1 it will be go that side means plus 1. Then likewise minus 2 it will be go that side means plus 2. So for the x we have the two values. Likewise we want to solve the y also. So y is here y square plus 4y. Here plus 5 is there. It will become this sign means minus 5 equal to 0. In between term, that is plus processing. Constant term, that is multiplication. So again using the splitting the term, minus 5 in between 4. So 5 is means 1 5s are 5. So if you add means we get what? 6. If you subtract means we get 4. So we want plus 4. That means we have to write as in the small term. That is if you multiple means minus into plus, minus 1 5s are 5. If you subtract means we get 4. So now write the factorization. Y minus 1, y plus 5 equal to 0. Then same processing. y minus 1 equal to 0, y plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 1 it will be go that side means plus 1. Then plus 5 it will be go that side means minus 5. So for the x value also we have the 2. Y value also we have the 2 because this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation degree is 2 means the factorization answer also 2. If it is linear means we get the answer is 1. If you have 3 means we have the 3 terms. Second question, the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements among which minus 1, 0 and 0, 1 are found. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. First of all, the given is what? Here A cross A given us A cross A has 9 elements. So 9 elements also, that is same set. இங்கேயும் A தான் இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் A. If you Cartesian product if you use means we get same that elements. So here we have 9 elements means here the given elements is minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. So both the elements given. So in this elements alone we have the numbers because both are A. So here we have check minus 1, 0, 0, 1. So here the different elements are there. Yes, minus 1 is there, 1 is there, 0 is repeated. So here the set, here itself we can write the set A. Again I have repeat you. இங்கே நமக்கு A cross Aல வந்து 9 elementsன்றது சொல்லிட்டாங்க because Aங்கிற செட்டில் ஒரே 3 element தான் இருக்கும். So if you multiple means 3 into 3 means we get what? 9 elements. If you write the Cartesian product means we get the 9 elements. அந்த இதில் இருக்கிற Cartesian productல ordered pairsல 2 pair நமக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. That is minus 1, 0. Another one is 0, 1. So from this 2 ordered pairs we can write the A set. Suppose இங்க A செட்டும் இங்க B செட்டும் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா first one is considered as A set, second was considered as the B set, but both are A set. So here we have the 4 numbers, that is minus 1, 0, 0, 1. So here the repeated is 0. We can write as only one time. So if you write means we get the A cross A. So the set A equal to set of, here the elements are minus 1, 0, 1. So here we find the A set. Now we want to find another one is there, remaining element of A cross A. So now we write the A cross A by using the set. So A set is what? Set of 0, minus 1, 0, 1 cross minus 1, 0, 1. So Cartesian product means we have write as the definition think, that is set of ordered pairs. So now we want to write the set of ordered pairs. So set bracket, here minus 1 is there, we can write with the second set. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Another one is minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, because I have processing with the first element with the second set. Now the second element is 0. So 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then next one is 1. So 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So the set bracket is closed. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A cross A has the 9 elements. So here we get the 9 elements. So the remaining elements they ask. So you can write the remaining element because the 2 set is given. So the remaining element of remaining elements of A cross A is, that is equal to set of, here the given is what? Minus 1, 0 given and 0, 1 is given. So remaining that after we have to write minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and set the bracket is closed because this two ordered pairs already given. So we have to remove and write the remaining elements. Third question, given that f of x equal to set of root of x minus 1, x greater than or equal to 1, 4, x less than 1. So find first function is f of 0, second one is f of 3, third one is f of a plus 1 in terms of a, given that a greater than 0. So here the given is what? That is f of x. So given is f of x equal to set of root of x minus 1, 4, x greater than 1, x less than 1. So now we want to check the condition x greater than 1. So greater than 1 means what? Here greater than or equal to சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So we have to write as 1, 2, 3 etc. Here less than 1. So less than 1 means back we have to write that is 0, minus 1, minus 2 etc. So now we want to find the first one. So first subdivision is what they ask, f of 0. So 0, here we have a 0 is where? So in the second subdivision, that is second expression f of x is given. So 0 is here. So f of x equal to 4. So in place of x, here the given is 0. So f of 0 equal to 4, because here there is no x value. So just you have to write the same constant. So f of 0 equal to 4. Likewise, second subdivision, f of 3. So f of 3 means here 3 is in the first one, that is root of x minus 1. So here f of x equal to root of x minus 1. So in place of x, we want to substitute 3. So f of 3 equal to root of 3 minus 1. So root of 3 minus 1 is root 2. Here we can't take the square because 2 is not a square number. So you can write as it is. Or otherwise you have to write in the point, means you have to write 1.1414 like that. That is we have studied in the later. Then third one is f of a plus 1. So here the value is greater than 0. Given that a is greater than 0, in place of x we want to write as a plus 1. So 0 greater than 0 means we have to take the first one alone, because 0 greater than means the value next value is 1, 2, 3 etc. alone. So first one is f of x is given. So f of x equal to root of x minus 1. So here we have the given is a plus 1. So f of a plus 1 equal to root of a plus 1 minus 1. So in place of x, we want to substitute a plus 1. So 1 and 1 cancel, because plus 1 minus 1 if you subtract means we get 0. Here we get root a. So the answer for f of a plus 1 equal to root a. Fourth question, let a equal to set of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and let f from a to n be defined by f of n equal to the highest prime factor of n belongs to a. Write f as a set of ordered pairs and find the range of f. So here the first one is given, we want to write. So first given is that a equal to set of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and here the condition is let from f from a to n. So here n is, that is f of n is given. So f is given, f of n is condition is given, the highest prime factor. So individually, that is n belongs to a. So for the a set here given, for the highest, for the 9 highest prime factor, what is that? That is f of n. For 9, likewise 10, likewise 11, we want to find. Then alone we want to write the set of ordered pairs and the range also we can write. So first of all, here n is 9. First we want to write the n equal to 9. So because a is belongs to 9, n. So f of n we want to find, that is f of n is highest prime factor. What is that prime factor? We have to do the factorization. You know the LCM likewise, but here we want to use the only prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? one and by itself. அதாவது one table and then அதோட table அதுதான் we have to say one and by itself. So here 9 is there. So we want to choose the 3 table because 3 table means we have 3 is in the one table and 3 itself. So not from the other table. So we have to take the 3. So 3 3s are 9. Then 3. 1. So up to 1 we have to solve. So 3 both are equal. So this is there is no highest factor. We can write only one time. So f of n equal to 3. Likewise, here we can write f of 9. So likewise, n equal to 10. F of 10 we want to find. So f of 10 means what we have write? That is 10. So first we have to choose the 2 table. Don't take the 1 table because 1 is not a prime number. 1 is considered as neither prime nor composite number. So 2 we can take because 2 table we have the 10. 5 2s are 10. Likewise 5. 1. So here 2 and 5 is there. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. So because highest prime factor alone we want to write. So f of 10 equal to 5. Likewise n equal to 11. F of 11. 11 means 11 also prime number. So there is no another one table. So we can take there is no highest factor, that is 11 alone we have that. So just rightly we can write because if you do the LCM means 11 means 11 table alone we have that. So 11 rightly we can write. Likewise n equal to 12. F of 12 we can find. So 12. So starting from the 2 table, 6 2s are 12. Then again 2 table, 3 2s are 6. 3 1. So which is the highest one? 3 is the highest one. So we can write 3. Likewise n equal to 13. So f of 13. So 13 is a prime number. So 13 is 13 itself. So we can write straightly. Likewise we want to find the 14, 15 and 16. 16, 17. Now n equal to 14 we want to find. So f of n equal to we can write, and also we want to find the value in 2 table. 7 2s are 14. So 7 is a prime number. So 7 itself alone. So which one is the highest one? 7 is there. So 7. So n equal to 15. So f of 15 equal to, here we can write f of 14. So f of 15 means 15 we want to find. So this is in the 3 table. So 5 3s are 15. Then 5 1. So here the highest one is 5. Then n equal to 16. F of 16 equal to 16 we want to do that in 2 table. 8 2s are 16. Again 2 table. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table. 2 1. So all the ones are equal. So just you have to write only one time. Then n equal to 17. F of 17. 17 is a prime number. So you can write straightly. So up to 17 alone we have given the n term. So now write the set of ordered pairs. So f is considered as, we know that x comma f of x is ordered pairs. So here the given is n f of n. So n is 9 means the ordered pair is 3. So we can write as 9 comma 3, 10 comma 5, 11 comma 11. Likewise we want to write. So here we want to write the terms, that is ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs they ask. So set of, first one is 9 comma 3, then 10 comma 5, 11 comma 11, 12 comma, here we find 12, 3, 13 comma 13, 14 comma 7, 15 comma 5, 16 comma 2, 17 comma 17. So set of ordered pairs we completed. Then another one is asked range of f. So range of f they ask. So range means what? What are the pairs? It will be going to the next terms. So here we have the two same terms. 3 3 is there. 5 5 is there. So you can write as only one time. So set of, here we have the numbers are 3 5 11 3 is already written, 13, 7, 5 is already written, 2, 17. If you stop means you have to write up to this, or otherwise you have to arranging the order. If you arranged means from the ascending order, so smallest number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So if you want to draw the arrow diagram means you have to draw, or otherwise you have to stop this. Stop it. Thank you, ma. ஸோ அகெயின் ஐ ஹவ் ரிப்பீட் யூ. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்கிறது வெறும் ஏ செட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தென் ஃப்ரம் த ஏ செட் வி வாண்ட் டு ஃபைண்ட் தி எஃப் ஆஃப் என். தென் அலோன் வி வாண்ட் டு ரைட் த செட் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர் பேர்ஸ் அண்ட் range. For that we want to know that f of n. So here the condition is highest prime factor of n belongs to a. ஏல கொடுத்துருக்க ஒவ்வொரு நம்பருக்கும் நம்ம ப்ரைம் ஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதோட ஹையஸ்ட் ஃபேக்டர் நமக்கு தெரியணும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் வி வாண்ட் டு நோ த ப்ரைம் நம்பர். ஸோ தட் மீன்ஸ் 1 and by itself. அந்த ஃபார்மெட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம எல்சிஎம் மெத்தடில் போட்டு ஆர்டர் பாஸ் எழுதியிருக்கோம், ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் எஃப் எழுதியிருக்கோம். இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் ட்ரா த ஆரோ டயக்ராம் மீன்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு ட்ரா, ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் till this range of f you have to stop. Fifth question. Find the domain of the function f of x equal to root of 1 plus root of 1 minus root of 1 minus x squared. So here the given is f of x. So f of x equal to root of 1 plus root of 1 minus root of 1 minus x squared. So this is a mind calculation, not by doing the sum. Here we want to find the domain. So domain means we have to substitute the value positive and also negative side. So first we have substitute from the 1, because we know that 1 is easy to solve. So if you substitute 1 means here 1 means 1 squared. 1 squared oda value 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So root 0. If it is processing means we get the value. இங்கே நம்ம just apply மட்டும் தான் பண்ணுறோம், not for the doing steps. So straightly we can write the numbers alone for the domain. So நமக்கு கண்டிப்பாக 1 போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. So again same minus 1. If you substitute 1 போட்ட போது நமக்கு வேல்யூ கண்டிப்பாக ஏதோ ஒரு இடத்துல நமக்கு வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரியும். Then suppose minus 1 if you substitute means minus 1 the whole squared. Minus 1 the whole squared means what you have to do? Minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So 1 ones are 1. So we know that. So 1 is there. So if you substitute means we get the value. Because 1 also we get the value. Minus 1 also we get the value. In between we have the 0. So if you substitute 0 means 0 squared. So 1 minus 0 means what you have get? We get the value. So we know that. Now we find the minus 1, 0, 1. So likewise we want to substitute the 2. If you substitute 2 means, because here 1 is there, so next highest value is 2. So 2 if you substitute means we get what? 2 squared. 2 squared means what you have get? 4. So 1 minus 4 means what you have get? Minus 3. So minus is the imaginary. Already I have said this is in the complex numbers values, not for the function value. root குள்ள மைனஸோ நமக்கு வரும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக நம்மளால் அதை எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. If you substitute minus 2 also we get the same term. So we can't take the highest up to, because இங்கே 1 தான் நமக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 1 மைனஸோட நமக்கு எது பண்ணுறோமோ நமக்கு கிடைக்கிற டொமைன் வேல்யூஸ் மட்டும்தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 1 தாண்டி இருக்கிற 2, 3 அதெல்லாம் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. ஸோ நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ it will be not taken the root in for the function. So here the domain values are, so domain equal to set of minus 1, 0, 1. இது 3 போடும்போது மட்டும்தான் we get the positive value and for the functions. Not for the root values போடும்போது நமக்கு இமேஜினரியாக கிடைக்கிறனால 2, 3 எல்லாம் நம்மளால் எடுக்க முடியலை. So this is the just 1 mark sum alone. You have to, I know if you have doubt means you have to ask. Then we move on to the next one. In this domain you can write another one also, that is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. If you write in this type also correct, this also correct. This is in the set builder form. So minus 1 less than or equal to x, or otherwise less than or equal to 1. Because in between we have the numbers minus 1, 0, 1. This is the roster form. This is in the set builder form. So now move on to the sixth question. If f of x equal to x square, g of x equal to 3x, and h of x equal to x minus 2. Prove that f of g of h equal to f of g of h. So here we want to write the given. So given is, that is f of x equal to x square, g of x equal to 3x, then h of x equal to x minus 2. So to prove, we want to that f of g of h equal to f of g of h. So here we have taken the left hand side, that is f of g of h. So first of all solve the bracket. So here we have the f of g. So we can written as f of g of x. So in place of g of x, here we have a 3x. So f of 3x. So again we have the function, that is f. So already in question f of x is given. So f of x equal to x squared. Here we have a 3x. In place of x we want to substitute 3x. So 3x the whole squared. This squared is for 3 also, x squared, x also. So for 3 means 3 squared, that is 3 into 3, 9, x squared. So we can write x squared. This is f of g. Now we want to substitute in this f of g of h. So f of g of h we can write as, that is what, f of g of h of x. So here h of x is given, so already is there. So f of g of x minus 2, f of g we find here. So that is f of g equal to 9x squared. So in place of x we can substitute x minus 2. So f of x minus 2 the whole square. If you want means we have to split, or otherwise from the right hand side we have the same term means you no need to split. Before that we have to split means it is easy. So 9 into x minus the whole squared is there. So a minus b the whole squared formula we can use. So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here x minus 2 is there. So in place of a we want to substitute x. In place of b we want to substitute 2. So already we have a 9 is there. So now you substitute means x squared minus 2 into 2, 4. 2 4 into x, 4x. Plus here we have a 2 squared. 2 squared means 4. Now we multiple the 9 inside. So 9x squared plus into minus minus, 9 fours are 36x, plus into plus plus, 9 fours are 36. So f of g of h equal to 9x squared minus 36x plus 36. Likewise we want to solve the right hand side. So right hand side is given as, that is f of g of h. So here we have the bracket inside, that is g of h. So g of h is written as g of h of x. So g of h of x is given as x minus 2. Here the function is g. So g of x is already given, that is 3x. In place of x we want to substitute x minus 2. So 3 into x minus 2. Now we can multiple 3 into x, 3x, plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6. So this is g of h. Now we want to substitute in this one f of g of h. So f of g of h means we have that 3x minus 6. So here f is function. So f of x is given as x squared. So in place of x we want to substitute 3x minus 6 the whole square. So now we can use the formula, same a minus b the whole square. That means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 3x, b is 6. So now we want to substitute. In place of a, we want to 3x. So 3x the whole square minus 2 into 3x into 6 plus 6 squared. So here square means we want to write 3 square means 3 3s are 9. X squared minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Now we want to multiple. So 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36 x plus 6 square means 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. This is f of g of h. So see here, right hand side also same, left hand side also same. So here f of g of h equal to f of g of h. Hence proved, because they asked to prove. So we have solved, both are equal.